Hey guys, here I've got the original Bose SoundLink Mini. This was released in the year 2013, so it's pretty old, but I'm going to tell you how this tiny little speaker revolutionized an entire industry. So stay tuned because we are about to travel back in time. Many of you who are watching this video probably recall that before portable Bluetooth speakers were a thing, the most common, in fact the most popular way of enjoying your music is from a speaker dock. That's because iPods and iPhones were very popular back then, and if you had bought an iPod for your daughter, you probably need to set aside a couple of $100 more because she'll be asking you for an iPod dock next. Daddy, I want to listen to my music and I want to charge my phone at the same time. Number one Christmas gift, iPod dock. So iPod docks were really popular until the iPad came out. And because of the iPad, manufacturers started to see a shift in the way people enjoy their media. And the iPad proved to be a better way of watching your videos and playing games on a big screen. Till this point, manufacturers made their speaker docks to fit iPods and iPhones, but fitting an iPad, now that's a whole different story. And relative to an iPhone, the iPad was so big and bulky that even if you could dock an iPad onto a speaker dock, it would easily cover the speakers. You would not get great sound at all. And the iPad's weight also resulted in a lot of broken connectors. So consumers began to explore alternative ways of enjoying their music and videos. So it was between the year 2010 and 2013 that portable Bluetooth speakers started to gain some traction. So the popular audio brands started to take notice and they began manufacturing their own versions of a portable Bluetooth speaker, and soon every brand has their own version of Bluetooth speaker. But nobody quite nailed it yet because at that point, if you wanted great bass in a Bluetooth speaker, you gotta get a big Bluetooth speaker. And of course, big speakers mean it's less portable. So back then, the best example, the most popular example back then was the Jawbone Big Jam Box. It was like yay big. And if you wanted it small, like back then you had the Beats Pill, the UE Mini Boom, and the JBL Flip. But it didn't sound great at all. In fact, most of them sounded like crap. But you had no choice back then. If you wanted a small, really portable speaker, you had to live with thin, anemic sound quality. With no bass. I mean seriously, if you wanted a boom 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 back then, you had to live with a piak 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 until the Bose SoundLink Mini was released. You see, the Bose SoundLink Mini was the first portable Bluetooth speaker to have passive bass radiators.
The SoundLink Mini's patented dual passive radiators deliver deeper low notes than you'd expect from a speaker this small. And by facing in opposite directions, they minimize vibration. So wherever you put your speaker, it stays there, no matter how loud you turn it up.
Now, although Bose didn't invent passive bass radiators, that accolade goes to JBL, who invented them in the 60s. They certainly made it work in a small portable speaker, something that not even JBL could do. How do you make passive bass radiators so small and still put out as much bass as much larger bass radiators? And how do you prevent a small speaker with such powerful bass from vibrating off the table? These are some of the challenges that Bose had to overcome to make a speaker like this, and this is the result. In a small speaker like this. So even though back then this was criticized heavily for not having a microphone for voice calls or a micro USB port for charging, it was the best selling speaker of the year 2014. And I can't help but feel that this was helped by Apple changing the connectors, if you recall, from the 30-pin connector to the Lightning connector. So that got a lot of people pissed off because suddenly their iPod docks were obsolete. So they had to get something new, and this had the best sound quality of its time. So it's an obvious choice, really. So for the next few years since this was released in the year 2013 at the price of 329 Singapore dollars, which I paid, by the way, for this, the portable Bluetooth speaker market was dominated by this product. But as the saying goes, all good things must come to an end, because Bose's competitors did not sit still. Ultimate Ears responded by releasing new products with more fun and useful features, and JBL responded by releasing the Charge 2 portable speaker in 2014, the first JBL portable speaker to have, you guessed it, bass radiators. And since then, passive bass radiator technology has been adopted by most speaker manufacturers, such that now it's hard to find a portable Bluetooth speaker without a bass radiator. So even though Bose portable speakers are not the most popular or cutting edge right now, that crown goes to JBL. There's no doubt that the Bose SoundLink Mini and its bass radiators helped revolutionize the portable speaker industry. I hope you guys like this video because I was so skeptical at first about doing this episode. It's too different from the usual content that I make, review videos and such. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like me to do a review video of the Bose SoundLink Mini Classic Model year 2013, trust me, I've been living with this speaker for the past 5 years. I know everything there is to know about this speaker. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Of course, subscribe to this channel if you want to watch more videos from me, and oh, don't forget to ring the bell to join my notification squad because I upload videos every single week and this is the only way you'll get notified. And thank you for watching this video. Please support me on Patreon too. My name is Aaron and you're watching Aaron is Loud and Wireless. Facepalm out! Oops. Yep, that's how it should be done.